Hello, teacher. I am Kelly Patricia Cogollo Acosta. It is my conversation in two restaurants. Welcome. May I get your order? Yes, I like a hamburger and a large order of french fries, please. All right. And would you like salads? Yes, I have a Mr. Green salad. Okay, what kind of dressing would you like? We have vinaigrette, Italian, and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything to drink? Yes, I like a large soda, please. Welcome to my restaurant. Can I get your order? I would like to order a portion and fried chicken with barbecue sausages. Would you like cheese with your order? Yes, please. I like a large one. Would you like anything to drink? Yes, I have a small diet coke, please. It is served with salad? I'm sorry, but this order comes only with the sausages. Would you like to have salad with your order? Yes, I have a mixed salad, please. Will that be all? Yes.